next class. Here in this class we have to discuss 44th problem too. So 44 problem, see here. 10 times the difference of the place value of 9 in the decimal 0.0946 and 0.009 is. First here given numbers, which numbers given? 0.0946 and 0.0009. So the difference of the place value of 9. What is the place value of 9 here in this number? 9 by 100. What is the place value of 9 in this number? See here, 10th, 100th, 1000, 10,000. 9 by 10,000. So their difference we have to find. 9 by 10,000 minus 9 by 100. What you will get? LCM 10,000. 10,000 means 100. 100 is how much we will get? 10,000. So here 10,000 ones are 10,000. 9 we will get. LCM 10,000. Here 9 by 100 minus 9 by 10,000. If you do 100 times, so 100 into 9, 900 minus 9. 900 minus 9, how much you will get? 900 minus 9. 10 minus 9, 1, here 9, here 8. 891. What is the value? 891 by 10,000. Again what they asked? 10 times of. 10 times means what we have to do? That number we have to multiply with 10,000. Sorry, 10 times means with 10. Times means we have to multiply. 0, 0, z cancel. So what is answer now? 891 by 1000 means, if you convert into decimal, what you will get? 0.891. Option B is correct. See here, look at children. First in these two numbers, what is the place value of 9 in this number? 9 by 100. In this number 9 by 10,000. They asked their difference. Difference means what we have to do? Subtraction. So 9 by 100 minus 9 by 10,000. What you will get? Here LCM if you take 10,000. 100 table 10,000 100 times. So 100 into 9, 900 minus 10,000 into 10,000 one time only. So 9 you will get. If you subtract, you will get 981 by 10,000. What they asked, this difference is 10 times. 10 times means we have to multiply with 10. So if you get 0, 0 get cancelled. So what left here? 891 by 1000. So 0.891 answer. So 45, this is 44th problem. 45th problem, do homework. Next 46th look at. 45th problem, homework. 46th. 5 swimmers are entered into a competition. 4 of the swimmers have had their turns. Their scores are 9.8 seconds, 9.75 and 9.81 seconds. What score must be the last swimmer get in order to win the competition? See here, 5 swimmers, 4 swimmers score they given. 9.8 seconds, one member's score, and 9.75 seconds, and one more 9.81 and 9.79 and 9.81. Then what they are asking? What score must the last swimmer get in order to win the competition. So last person have to win this competition. How much he has to score? Less than 9.75 or greater than 9.81 seconds, in between 9.75. See here the given decimal numbers. Highest score who will do, then that person only get here winner. So here which is the highest score? 9.8, 9.75, 9.79, 9.81. Here in the 10th place 8, 7, 7 is less than 8. In these two again 9.8, 9.81, 9.81 only greater one. So last person more than this seconds. So winner means lesser time we have to take, no? So 9.7 is lesser number. So less than 9.7 seconds he has to take. So option A, less than 9.75 seconds. Next 47th question. What is 47th? Add 3.9, the difference of 4. So first we have to do difference 4.9 to 1.29. Difference means subtraction. 12 minus 9, 3. 8 minus 2, 6, 3. Add. So 3.63 and 3.792, and these two numbers difference, how much you will get? 3.63. Both we have to add. 3.9792, 3.63. Here no digit, we have to write 0. So if you add 2, 9 plus 3, 12, 7 plus 7, 14, 3 plus 3, 7. 7.422. Option C is correct. See here 46th problem. Here 4 members score they given. So last person in this competition he has to win. How much score he has to do? So less time who will take in this swimming, that person only will get a win. So here winner is lesser time who taken. Here in these 4 numbers, which is the lesser time? 9.75 seconds. Then this time last person he take less than this seconds, 9.75 seconds. Then that person only win the won the match. So here answer is less than 9.75. Here next one, these two numbers difference first we have to find. For this difference we have to add this number, we get this answer. Next 48th question. The value of 0.5 by 0.05 plus 0.05 by 0.5 plus not minus 5 by 50 plus 5 by 0.05. So what we have to do here? We have to simplify this one. See here what you will get. 0.5 means we can write 5 by 10. First each one we simplify, after we can add. First I am simplifying this one. 0.5 by 0.05. So 0.5 means we can write 5 by 10 and 5 by 100. So what we will get? 5 by 10 into 100 by 5. Reciprocal. So 5 get cancelled. 1 0 1 0. So this value is 10. Next one. 0.05 by 0.5. This one only we have to write reverse. 5 by 100 by 5 by 10. Then what we will get? 5 by 100 into 10 by 5. 1 by 10 is nothing but what? 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1. Next one. This one here only we can simplify. 5 ones are, 5 tens are. What you will get here? Separately we will simplify. 5 by 50 given. So 5 by 50 means 5 ones are 5 tens are 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1. Then last one we have to simplify. See here 5 by 0.05, 5 by 100. So 5 into 100 by 5 get cancelled. Here we get 100. So now observe here. So we have to add this one. See, I am doing here. So first this value how much we get there? 10. Next this value how much we get? 0.1. Next value also minus 0.1. Next value how much we get? 100. See, plus 0.1 minus 0.1 we get 0. 100 plus 10. 110. So what is answer now? 110 means option B they given. Option B. Understood children? So first I simplified this one, we get 10. Again I simplified this one, we get 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1. 5 by 50 means 1 by 10, it is also 0.1. This value we get 100. Here plus 0.1 minus 0.1 get cancelled. Means plus minus 1 opposite number same number plus negative signs means opposite signs means we get 0. So here 100 left, here 10 left. 100 plus 10 110. Next one, 48th one, 49th question. Ninth question. So you can do homework 45, 49, 52 also you can do. Try all of you. Next I will explain. And 54, 55 problems. So these problems are homework problems 45, 49, 52, 54, 55. So these problems do homework. Next two problems we will discuss in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.